Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Creatrix. You can call me Trix. And today's video is so exciting because I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a crochet bunny hat, bunny sleigh moment. Cardi B was actually the one who inspired this look because body sleigh, like, that's so cute. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, or like a timestamp in the description box of like where the video starts, because I'm going to go on like a little tangent here. But yeah, go do that if you just want to start making it. Have so much fun. Let me know how it goes. Take pictures and tag me in it. All my socials will be down below. Exciting news. My website is in an entire like rebrand right now. And it's so exciting, and I cannot wait to show it with you guys. It's gonna be out within like the end of this year or the like beginning of next year, and it's like all in the works right now, but I'm just super excited for you guys to see it. Check it out to see like when you see this video it might be out, but yeah, I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Everything will be in the description box down below. A tree gets planted for every order. Every one order gets one tree planted. Maybe further along down the line I'll do like more trees for like every order, but yeah, for now it's just one tree because the fashion industry is the #1 polluter of the planet next to oil. So it's like oil and then it's fashion, like fast fashion, that like is like bad for the environment. So I don't know, like maybe it's just like plant a tree, like I don't freaking know. But yeah, everything is handmade and I'm so passionate about it. I'm so excited to share my creativity and art with the world, and you guys are so amazing, and I know I've been gone a while. I'm so happy to be back, and yes, love you guys. Before you begin, you're gonna need a 19mm crochet hook, 2 bundles of super bulky 8-ounce yarn, and some scissors. Start off by doing a magic ring, chain 1 inside the ring, and then do 5 double crochets inside of the ring, which is loop over, go through, loop over, go through 2, loop over, go through 2, and then do 5 of those inside the ring. Pull the string in the middle to close the hole in the ring, and then go into that first double crochet that you made and do a slip stitch, and then chain 1, and then do 2 double crochets in every single one of the 5 stitches, so at the very end you'll have 10 stitches. You're gonna close the round with a slip stitch, and then chain 1, and then in that same stitch that you chained 1, do a 1 double crochet, and I'm pretty sure you're about to see me mess up right here, but I just ended up going back and doing it and fixing it. But you're gonna do 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch you're gonna increase and do 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and then in the next stitch you're gonna do 1 double crochet, and then the next stitch you're gonna increase, so 2 double crochets. So you're gonna do a pattern all the way around of 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. All the way around, you should end, if you started with a 1 double crochet, you should end with a 2 double crochet. And you should have 15 by the end of this round. If you're using smaller yarn, this pattern that we're doing is basically just going to increase until it's like the right shape or the right bigness of your head. So in the next round, if we had smaller yarn, it would be 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase. And then in the round after that, it would be 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase. So it would just go up by that number to match the bigness of your head, and then you'd go into doing what we're doing right now, which is closing that round, slip stitching, chaining 1, and then in the back loops only, you're gonna do 1 double crochet all the way around till we meet with a slip stitch again. After you slip stitch, you're gonna chain 1, and then from here on out, you're just gonna do 1 normal double crochet all the way around and keep finishing your rows just like we have been. And I'm pretty sure I only needed, like, this yarn is so big, I only needed 2 rows. So I just did this row, finished it with the slip stitch, and then did the next row, finished it with the slip stitch, and then boom. As you can see, this yarn is a lot less thick, so I used more rows for the head and stuff. So now we're just gonna finish this last row off and then cut our string and tuck it, and then we're gonna get started on the ears. Starting off with a slip knot, we're going to chain 4, and then from the second chain from the hook, we're going to go in into 3 single crochets, chain 1, turn your work, 3, chain 1, chain 1, turn your work, and then do 3 single crochets, and then continue that for about 12 rows, or until your ears are long enough for your liking. and I will meet you guys back after we did our 12 rows. Now that you've done your 12 rows, you're going to chain 1 and then do a decrease. So go into that first loop, go into that second loop, and then just pull it through all 3 and then do 1 single crochet. And then chain 1, do a decrease in the last 2 chains again, and then close your work, cut your string, and there you have your 1 ear. And then go ahead and do your other ear. And yay, we're almost done. Then just simply start sewing your ears onto your hat on the sides where you want them. I did mine a little bit high up, and yeah, I'm just pulling it through, going around. Since the yarn is so like fluffy, you can't really see like the sewing or anything, which is nice. So I'm doing just something so simple just get it on there. Such an easy pattern, and it's just so cute. And this hat is actually so warm, and this was so fun for me to do. So yeah, then I'm just going to keep sewing until in the inside I'm going to tie it about like 3 times to make sure it's tight, and then tuck the strings inside, and do that with the other ear. And your hat is all done. Okay guys, so this is the finished result, and it's so cute. I'm just thinking like in the winter time or something, it's like giving like you're on the ski lift, like it's super warm and like big and fuzzy and like so cute. Like it's giving ski lift baddie, snowboard baddie, ski baddie, like on the slopes, like at the rave in the winter time, like so cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you guys were able to make a super cute hat. The pattern is going to be down below for you guys to message me to get it through my Instagram, and all my socials and everything down below. I'm gonna try and stay more consistent with posting and giving you guys cute ideas, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Bye guys.